Welcome, today in front of me Amazon Fire 7 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound section. Then here we can see the media, call, alarm and notifications volume panel, so we can change the volumes just by swipe to the left or to the right side this white dot with our finger. Also we have here the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off. We can switch it here the sound settings, settings for sounds, off for notifications. Also we can here just set some reminders, and also we can switch the duration and to turn it on automatically, so we can here set it the start time and end time of the don't disturb. Also we have the shortcut, the prevalent ringing, so it's turned off. Now we can turn it on. Also we can switch here the notification sound and alarm sound, and here we have also the other sounds, the screen lock sounds, charging sounds and touch sounds, so we can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click once on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.